Inscape is Pune's first wellness-based co-working space. At Inscape, we design nature-inspired workspaces which make you feel positive. At Inscape, we want to design and operate workspaces, keeping our co-workers' well-being in mind. And we started our first pilot project in Pune Koregaon Park.
There's not many co-working spaces in Pune, let alone the world, that you can sit on a terrace and do work with Wi-Fi.
Well, I feel like very connected with nature, with persons, with projects, with different cultures in one same space. So it's like very creative energy or very positive energy. So it's like a place I like to come and do things.
Like I have specs right now, and like my doctors told me to have like a 20-20. So 20 minutes I work, and then 20 seconds I look at the trees. So it helps my eyes.
That every time I would leave for a work trip, I'd come back and there'd be a whole new group of people in the office. So it's definitely great to meet people.
We give people not just tea and coffee, we have a lot of healthy drinks like amla ginger, fresh lemon, and I've seen, given a choice, people pick healthier options if they taste good, and our drinks, they taste delicious.
Whether it is you and your big idea, a startup, a freelancer, or regional office of a large corporate, find your place here at Inscape